Very good morning. Very guten Morgen to you. Guten Morgen to you. It's a rainy day outside. Outside's not a very great day. I'm not be doing towels wash today. I shall video the 60-degree wash. I'll try and plan it. Yeah. This is very damp weather. There'll be more of exciting videos to come soon. I'll talk about that in a separate video. Yeah. It's a very damp day. As you can see, as you can tell, it's raining outside. Cats and dogs, parrots and gatos, gatos and parrots. Cats and dogs. Spanish for cats and dogs. I'm gonna video the plug sockets from my panel. Might video that. See in the I'll see you guys after this video.